3 tropical disturbances are brewing in the Atlantic, and forecasters say Tropical Depression 13 has a high probability of becoming a tropical storm this week. The highly active 2020 hurricane season is continuing its energetic run, with 3 tropical disturbances now brewing in the Atlantic hurricane basin, including a newly formed tropical depression considered likely to become a tropical storm this week. Forecasters from the National Hurricane Center are closely monitoring the systems. Although it's too early to know if any of these systems will become a serious threat to the United States, some long-range forecast models suggest one system is likely to head into the Gulf of Mexico, where it could take aim at Texas or Louisiana early next week. Update 12:30 p.m. Thursday. One of the other tropical disturbances has strengthened into a tropical depression, and forecasters expect it to strengthen into a tropical storm late Thursday or early Friday. This storm is forecast to cross the Yucatan Peninsula Saturday night and move into the south-central Gulf of Mexico on Sunday. Some forecasters believe the second system, the one pictured in the middle in the map above, has a shot at moving towards Florida next week. The next 2 names on the list of Atlantic storms are Laura and Marco. The National Hurricane Center says Tropical Depression 13 could become a named tropical storm by Thursday night or early Friday. Regardless of where these storm systems might track, forecasters say anyone living in coastal areas, including the Jersey Shore, should always be on alert this time of year, because we are now in the peak period of hurricane season. On average, the Atlantic hurricane season ramps up to its highest level of activity between the middle of August and late October, with September 10th being the most active time for tropical storms or hurricanes to be brewing. So it's not surprising to see 3 potential tropical systems stirring in the Atlantic this week. This chart shows the average number of named storms, in red, and the average number of hurricanes, in yellow, on each day of the Atlantic hurricane season. The season is usually most active from mid-August through late October. National Hurricane Center (NOAA). However, many weather experts believe the remainder of this hurricane season will be even more active than usual, with atmospheric conditions being ideal for organized tropical systems to develop. Here's a look at the 3 tropical disturbances, also known as tropical waves, that are currently brewing in the Atlantic. Tropical Disturbance 1. This tropical wave is the farthest west of the 3 active waves, centered over the central Caribbean Sea. The National Hurricane Center says it has a 90% chance of becoming a tropical depression or a tropical storm in the next 2 days.